Hello, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're going over a multi-part series on how to use Zoom. In this series, we're going over Zoom basics, some advanced Zoom features, and how to use Zoom to run a successful meeting or webinar. In this video, we're going to talk about how to do Facebook Live or YouTube Live using Zoom. The first thing we need to do is we need to go to our Zoom settings and turn on the live streaming option. Now, you will need a pro license to do this option. So if you don't have a pro license, or if this option is grayed out, it's probably because you don't have that license enabled. All right, we're gonna scroll down and we're going to find, there we go, allow live streaming meetings. We're gonna make sure that this is turned on here. And if it's turned on, you're gonna have these options right there. Now we're gonna scroll up and we're gonna go to meetings, and then we're gonna schedule a meeting. Now, go ahead and enter your information for this meeting. And then once you're done, you're gonna go ahead and click save. And since we're doing this right now, I'm going to go ahead and click start this meeting. You can see right here that we now have the live streaming options. All right, I'm going to launch Zoom. Now, if I'm in my Zoom meeting, if I go ahead and click more, I'm going to see if I have options to go live on one of these different options. Let's go live on Facebook. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to ask me, like, where do I want to share this to? Do I want to share this to my news feed, a group, an event, or a page manage? I'm going to go ahead and click this for now. Then it's going to ask me, what do I want to share this to? Let's go ahead and share this to my coaching page. It's going to ask who I want to post as. If you want to post as someone different, go ahead and click that. I'm going to click next, and it's preparing the live stream right now. Once this is finished, you're going to be taken to the Facebook Live Manager, where you can set different settings. You can set a title, anything you want to say about that, cross-post to other pages. And then I don't have camera turned on right now, so that's why you're just seeing this name. If I had video on, you would see a video right here. And then there's also some settings. You can see there's some options right there. If you want to cross-post and do a couple different options. These are more advanced settings, and to actually just do a Facebook Live, you don't actually need to change all of these. These settings will allow you to share your video without needing to do anything differently. All right, the next thing I need to do is press the Go Live button. And once I've done that, my stream will be live on Facebook, and I'll just talk as I want. And then once I'm done streaming, I would go ahead and I would go to my Zoom meeting, and I would end the stream in the Zoom meeting, and that will end the stream on Facebook. All right, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, you can check out my other videos for other great tips and tricks on how to use Zoom.